Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to verify Snapchat account. A Snapchat account that is verified is called a Snapstar. A Snapstar is a verified Snapchat creator recognized for the high quality content, public presence, or popularity. Snapstars receive a star next to their name on their profile. If you're a creator or public figure, becoming a Snapstar is the way to go to get verified on Snapchat. To submit an application to get your Snapchat account verified as a Snapstar, you'll need to fill out a form. And Snapstar has an eligibility. So the account engagement, your account has accumulated a large and engaged audience. Stories for a public audience, your account is primarily used to create and share stories with the general public on a regular basis. Authenticity, the account represents a real person or people and is the unique presence of the person or people it represents. Notability and cultural relevance. Your account is highly searched for or culturally relevant. Content quality. The content you share is original, safe, and appropriate for all of users and in line with the community guidelines. So this is the form. You'll enter your username, legal name. After you have input all the details needed, then click submit. That's it. Thanks for watching.